Let's take a look at the Echo Show 5. Hey there, welcome on back. Or if you're new here, my name's Jim. Welcome to Skool's Tech Talk, where we do tips, tricks, and how-tos in some of the latest tech gadgets that are out there today. I do videos every week, and this week we're going to be taking a look at the Echo Show 5. And is it worth getting into your household or upgrading from your existing Echo devices? Now, the Echo Show 5 is Amazon's entry-level show device. It's the smallest device that they have that has the touchscreen on it. There's an 8-inch that's going to be coming out this month, and currently a 10-inch that they provide for the touchscreen service. Okay, let's start with what's in the box. Very basic. You get the Echo Show 5 device, you get an adapter, and a couple of cards that either tell you what to do or give you a quick setup. It's very basic stuff in the box, so you should have no problem at least setting up the hardware portion of this. All right, so we got what we're looking at, we got what's in the box. Now we get to the good stuff. Let's actually take a look at the outside of this hardware, what it comes with, the buttons that are on it, what it basically looks like. Because I got to tell you, I'm really excited about this. I've had it for a little bit, and I've truly enjoyed moving from the Echo Dot that I had to this. But I digress. Let's take a look at the outside of this. So the Echo Show 5 comes in white or black. I got the white one because I wanted to change it up a little bit. But if you notice, it comes with a cloth exterior, the white front, and the touchscreen. On the back of the device, you will see that there is a USB connection, a 3.5 millimeter head jack, such a rare creature these days, and the power connection. Along the top, we have a shutter to turn the camera, or I should say to block the camera so it can't be used, your volume up and down button, a mute button. That's it. That's all you need. It has dual mics on the top, so it picks up your audio very well when you're speaking to it, or if you use it for any type of calls. So it's very minimalist exterior. It doesn't have a lot of buttons or gadgets to confuse anybody with. There's two ways you can set up the Echo Show. There is the setup where if you don't have or have never had an Echo device in your house, it'll take you through the standard setup. You'll sign into your Amazon account, and it'll walk you through connecting to Wi-Fi. There is another option that when you order the device online, there's a little box and it'll say link to my Amazon account. You click on that and everything will carry over for you. Once you turn the device on, everything will just flow nicely. I will say that there is going to be an update that you're going to have to go through. But good part is Amazon will tell you, hey, I got to do an update. I'll be back in a few minutes. It'll reset a couple times. I'll let you know when it's ready. And that's literally what it did. It went through, it did a few updates, and then it's like, I'm back, and we were off and running. It's a very simple process. I will tell you time frame. If you want a hard and fast number, you're looking about 20 minutes. How much of that is actual time with you interacting with the device? 8 minutes if you've never had an Echo device. So setup is very, very easy and not time consuming, and you can be off and running to do whatever you want to do as far as configuring and adding skills, which we'll get into in a minute, pretty quickly. Okay, where I was just talking about skills, it does need to get paired up with the Amazon Alexa app. Sorry if I just triggered your device, but you need to connect it up with that app. That way you can download specific skills, news feeds, anything like that. So when you're with your show device, you can ask it to show anything. And if it has the availability to do it, it'll do it. You can say, show me music, or play this, or show me this video on Amazon Prime, and it'll just play it, which is great if your hands are tied up. The wife tends to watch a lot of stuff on her phone when she's in the kitchen cooking, or she's got her hands tied up. So I know you're watching, honey. Thanks. This is going to be a great device for her, where she can just say, I'll leave the name out, please play The Office, and it'll just play it. For those of you that want to be crafty and watch, say, YouTube, thanks for watching, and wants to be able to watch videos of other content creators, or if you listen to podcasts or anything like that, you're going to have to get around the Amazon ecosystem. You can't link YouTube or Netflix or anything like that in. So what you're going to do is you're going to connect to the browser. So now you're saying, what the hell are you talking about, a browser? These devices work exactly like the Amazon tablets. I have an HD Fire, and these work the same way. So you just tell Amazon, open Silk browser, it'll open the browser, and you just type in whatever you want to watch. So I'll type in YouTube, and because that's what I usually listen to when I go to bed at night, and I can play it right from there. It's great. It's a little bit of beating the system, but it's my device. I paid for it. I want to use it, and I'm sure you're the exact same way. Speaking of listening, there's a couple things you can do with this. It has the 3.5 millimeter head jack, so you can plug headphones in, or you can plug an external speaker in. Cool. Rare creature. Glad it's in there. But you can also stream Bluetooth. So if you have something on your phone, you can stream from your phone to the device. Or if you have Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth earbuds or Bluetooth headset, you can stream from the Echo Show to the headphones. That's a great option and leaves it open for a lot of different ways that you can consume your content. All right, so the big question, who is this for? It's for anyone. I can't really pigeonhole or say you have to be in this area or this market to get this. If you don't have a smart home device, have no intention on connecting anything up within your home, it's still a good device because it gives you the option to use the show feature to still get your weather and traffic and all that stuff. If you have a smart home device and you're in one of the other ecosystems, this is a great device. For the price point that it's at right now and the price point that it's going to be at when it goes on sale, it's a steal. Period. I'm not even going to try to go into justifying this any more than what it is. It's a tremendous value. Now, if you're in the Amazon system, it's a hell of an upgrade. If you have a Dot or something that's just basic that's in your bedroom, this replaces that, and it replaces your alarm clock, and it replaces your news feed, and you don't have to leave your phone tethered to the side of your nightstand all night. It replaces everything. It unclutters and just makes your nightstand nice and clean now. So it's an everyone device. I have it. I'm going to buy another one, and I'm getting the 8. So I'll be showing you all if it's worth having the bigger screen at a little bit more money. But that's coming up soon. But yeah, I would say for your hard-earned dollars, it's a win. Absolute win. Just a reminder that links for this device will be in the description down below. If you need any further information on it, absolutely leave a comment. I answer all of them. If I don't have the answer, I will find the answer for you and we'll get everybody to be educated at the same time. But go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you're going to be getting this, if this is something that really interested you, if you're already in another ecosystem. Let's just have a conversation. Now, before anyone accuses me of being an Amazon shill or anything like that, that is definitely not the case. If y'all follow me on my Instagram or my Twitter account, you will see the lovely letter Amazon sent me saying I can pretty much go jump in the bushes and don't bother them. But you know what? I like their product. I'll feed myself. I don't need the free stuff from them. So no, not a shill here. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, or likes up, as I've said on quite a few videos. If you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you ding the notifications so you know when I go live. And as always, I will see you in the next one.